No, it's fine. They look way closer than you think they are.
Yeah. I'm gonna close the door because it's open.
Alright. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Oh, they look good on your camera.
Yeah.
Red, blue, white.
I zoomed in.
Oh, I like that sparkling.
Get a closer glimpse.
Babe, are you recording?
No, I want to record sideways.
What?
I'm trying to set it up.
I wanted to get a picture sent to you, like, with the fireworks in the background. Yes?
Ooh.
Can you stand right here so Mark can take a picture?
You don't want to stand next to me?
Could you hold the camera then?
Yeah. Tell him where to stand.
Like looking forward or?
Yeah, like looking forward, like that. No, like turn around and say cheese. Yeah.
I was doing this.
I know. It's really hot right here when the...
I like that. Right here. So now I don't have to do some photos. I'll hold it.
Ahí nada más ponte la mano acá atrás. Así agarras.
Well, that was the last of it, guys. Bye.
Right there looks good. It's a little closer.
I'm gonna do this.
Right there.
Oh, now. If I was live, I would say chat 1x or 2x. And right now I'm gonna do. Oh! Oh! Oh!
That's so cool.
Oh my god!
That was the spinning top or something, right?
Oh, that was when I was rainbow. Oh. There goes one. This is the second firework video I made.
I know.
Because remember I did one in 2023?
Yes, I remember.
Now I'm going to do one in 2025. Looks honestly amazing. Do 1x. 2x. 1x. Looks better here. Just kidding. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it right here. Adios. You can still check out my